Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple jerk chicken. Very easy to do, anyone can do it at home. Yeah, so first and foremost you gotta go get a Grace mild jerk sauce. Unless you like it really hot, then you can go get the extra hot spicy. So welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wonderful seeing you guys again. If you're new, welcome to the family, and I really appreciate you. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and to like and share it and join the family. Post the notification bell so that you can know how whenever I put a new video up. So today I'm going to do jerk chicken. I've already cleaned the chicken, took off all the fat and all the bad stuff off there, stripped it down, and this is what it looks like. I put a little oil in the pan there so it will like coat it a bit, and I'm showing you, I put lots of slits in it, so I cut the chicken in half in the middle there, cleaned the inside out, did everything like that, and I put some cuts inside of the chicken. So now the reason why I put little cuts everywhere is because I'm gonna stick that jerk sauce in between all that cavity that I've cut, and fill it in so that you want the seasoning to soak all the way through, right? So you got to put those slits in it for it to soak through and come out nice and spicy and to be jerk chicken. I don't have a grill because there's no outside at the moment, you know, chilly, but yeah, so this is what it is. This is just a Grace mild jerk sauce, and I'm just massaging it into all the creases of the chicken. As you see here, you just paste it everywhere, back, front, all over. And once I've done this, that's all I do. I actually don't put any other seasoning on it because that one bottle of Grace jerk seasoning, it has everything you need to make jerk chicken. You don't have to put anything extra. It comes out just perfect, right? So I'm just going to turn the chicken over because I've done the inside cavity. I'm going to do the outside, and I'm just going to put it underneath the skin and inside all the little slits I've made in the chicken. There are little cuts everywhere. I'm going to like stick my finger in there with the sauce and get it everywhere. You just want to make sure it's coated properly and it's everywhere, right? So you got to make sure it's everywhere, all over that bad boy. So this is going to be so delicious. And my child loves fettuccine and she loves mac and cheese, so today I'm going to do a little twist for her. I'm not going to give her the jerk chicken. I've made fried chicken for her, and I've gone ahead and make some of those Red Lobster biscuits because she really loves those. So, and potato wedges. So what I've done is, after coating this chicken with this Grace jerk sauce, mild, then I go ahead and put on her fettuccine, boil that for about 5 minutes because it's the soft ones. I don't like the hard ones, so it's the soft ones, and I put some Alfredo sauce and some cheese on that for her with some deep fried chicken, and that was her dinner. But my dinner will be this jerk chicken because I do like my food spicy, so I always gotta make 2 pots. Welcome to my home. But anyways, this is what I do. I do set my oven to 400 degrees so that you don't put any oil, anything in this baking thing. You just leave it like that because you want the chicken to be nice and dry. You don't want it to be wet and weird. So you want it to come out just like you put it in a drum pan, as we call it in Jamaica. You put it in a pan to jerk and get it nice and dry, right? It's better when it's nice and dry and the season soak and stick onto that. So you put it at 400 degrees and you do that for, I'll say, give it an hour because you want it to be dry. I want to dry it out as dry as I can get it, right? Then I just keep coating it, so, and I leave it like that. After I do that, then it's ready to go. You just chop it up and serve, and voila, that's all. So as you see here, you just make sure it gets everywhere. I'm just coating it. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried this, how it is, how it turned out for you. You can make this with anything, like any side you want, but I'm just doing it my way, what I wanted with it today. And I'm gonna have some potato wedges with mine, and that's it. So you notice I got under the skin and I cover it, so it seeps in, it locks in the seasoning in there. So when you're done, you don't have to eat the skin. You can rip it off, but at least you know the skin helps to keep the seasoning on. And I do it one side for like about, I'd say 30 minutes, and then I flip it over. So the other side will be done for another 30 minutes. And then like you just, but when before the last 10 minutes, before you shut the oven off after the hour, just before the hour is up, the last 10 minutes in that hour, you go ahead and put it on broil, because broil will actually help it to stick on. And you, if there's any juices on the bottom that like I had, you just use the spoon, pick it up and pour it over it to coat it, so the coat goes back on. And then you broil it on, and then you for 5 minutes, and then you flip it over on the other side, and you do the same thing, and let it dry the rest of the juice out and stick it on. And there it is, the Grace jerk sauce. That's it. Once I've coated it nicely, I'm just gonna clean my hands, and as you see, everything is coated, and I'm gonna put it in. So the oven is at 400 degrees or Fahrenheit, depends on whatever oven you have. And as I said, it's there for about an hour, and there it is coming along beautifully. Look at that. Can't wait to bite into that. This was so awesome, you have no idea. So try it and let me know what you think about it, and if it turned out this way for you. Look at that, I've cut a piece off and shared it out to make my dinner. There's the cheesy Alfredo. So I use Alfredo sauce and the wet fettuccine pasta with some shredded cheese, and I made some of those biscuits, and that's my dinner. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. That's when it's before it got out of the oven. Look at that. You notice it produces juices of its own, and there we go. Look at that. Smells great, tastes great. Let me know what you think. Again, I want to thank you for joining the family. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I normally post on Mondays and Thursdays a new video, but I've been putting a little bit of comedy in between. Let me know what you think about that, and tell me if you have any ideas of what you want me to make. Thank you. Stay safe.